Why we need to monitor rotor quality. Rotors determine machine condition. We can fix 60 to 70% facility problems by monitoring rotor condition. Machine can't talk. Even for a new machine, the condition can't be perfect. Vibration is triggered by some reciprocating forces while machine works. So, it's meaningful to measure vibration signals for machine condition interpretation. Apply to all kinds of rotors. Leverage online monitoring system to boost inspection efficiency. Easy operation, machine status at a glance. AI algorithm predicts the degradation trends in 7 days. Our IOT rotor online monitoring supports WISE 6610 and WISE 2410. Not knowing the sensor mounting places? We've built in the measurement point diagram as a suite designed for no background users to get hands-on immediately. A flexible software structure allows the management of different areas in plants by adding nodes step by step. Quick installation and plug-and-play design of the wireless sensor. All you need is to enter the serial numbers to expand the monitoring network with flexibility. No more cabling with an enormous budget. Dramatically cut the cabling and piping cost. With the optional portable monitoring application function, you only need to connect to the internet. You can use various mobile phones and tablets to view, and it is more efficient to master the device in real time. Predictive maintenance. In your plant, you still wait till the last moment for repair? Or replace them periodically on a calendar mark even though they are in good conditions? Benefit achievement. Avoid excessive maintenance. CBM can save unnecessary repair costs up to 66%. Prevent unscheduled breakdown. PDM can effectively lower the unscheduled breakdown up to 95%. Maximize facility usage. Reduce facility repair time, shorten production line stop by around 53%. Decline maintenance cost. The precise root causes analysis to decline 30% of inspection and maintenance hours.